What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, got the iPad Pro on deck. This is the M2 version, guys. And now that we know that Apple done dropped iPad0S 26 beta, and we see everything that's coming, and we see the iPad is getting a lot of features. We're starting to operate like a laptop. I gotta shout out Nilkin for sending me out a must-have accessory now that we're in the way of a laptop. Before iPadOS 18, it didn't really do the multitasking like I wanted it to do. Now that we're getting real adjustable windows and menus at the top like a laptop, I definitely need me a case with a keyboard. So let's check the dope one out. I need y'all to go ahead and do something that I never asked y'all to do at the beginning of the video, and I forget to ask y'all to do it. Go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please subscribe to your boy. I got goals, I got things I want to do. I want to run it up on YouTube. So definitely make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification. Please, I appreciate it. Okay, guys, so what we got here is the Nilkin bumper link keyboard case for your iPad. Now, it's going to be a whole list of iPads that's actually getting iPadOS 26. And you know, you can get the beta now. And now that it works more like a laptop, I feel like you should have a keyboard and a trackpad, because now it's time for top tier productivity. As you can see, it's kind of like a two-part case with the keyboard, and also you get the protective bumper case for your iPad in case you want to separate the two, which is dope. First, let's just take a look at the back. As you can see, we got anti-bending PC backplate, strong magnetic attraction for accurate alignment, a backlit keyboard. Backlit keyboard is definitely dope. You get magnetic detachable design, long battery life. Open it up like so. First thing we're gonna get is some paperwork with some steps and instructions. So it's going to show you basically this keyboard hooks up via Bluetooth. It is a Bluetooth keyboard. Now here's the case, guys. Very nice, very rugged. As you can see, all around the edges, nice and bolstered up for some drop protection. So you can see the back is transparent. You got a nice magnetic clasp, and you also have a door to close or, you know, protect your camera sensors. You can open and close it when you're not using the camera. And it's a nice feel. It's a nice material. Doesn't feel cheap at all, guys. Padded, sturdy material that has like a rugged texture to it, and some Nilkin branding. Now this is gonna be nice right here, guys, because it's basically like a sturdy, rugged type case for your iPad, but then you open it up and this flap has a keyboard. Now, for this to be just a keyboard case that's pretty thin, you get some nice travel on the keys. You get a whole function roll. So you're gonna be able to get a lot of productivity with this. And also, if you look at the top up here, you get a space for your Apple Pencil. And you get a nice trackpad with a tactile button press, because you want to have your mouse moving around your iPad. Now we're going for laptop setup, so we got keyboard, mouse. Now I had this case for a while in the box, guys, so I'm letting it charge up a little bit. I'm letting it juice up, but as you can see, right under the keyboard, you got an on and off switch. You got Type-C charging, and to let you know, like right now, what I got going on is charging, and then in a minute, I'm going to connect it up to the iPad. Now it's pretty simple on this thing, guys. All you gotta do is hold function and C, and it'll go into pairing mode. Again, this is a Bluetooth keyboard, and as you see on the iPad at the bottom, you can see it say Bluetooth keyboard, and go ahead and connect it. Now, before I show you anything else, I wanted to show you how the iPad in the case. Now, this is a nice sturdy case, like I said. Nice rugged material is in the case. As you can see, I could actually close off the camera section and protect the cameras, because you don't use the cameras on your iPad that much. I don't think so. Well, I know I don't. As you can see, at the same time, nice and bolstered up. Now, as far as the kickstand go, it's a nice wing on the back here, guys. Very sturdy and a whole lot of angles. So you can sit the iPad at whatever angle you want while typing. But at the same time, I can actually remove this bumper case from the keyboard, just peel this back. It's actually magnetic, so I could just walk around with the bumper case if I want, and no keyboard. And if it's another place you wanted to mount your iPad when it's not in like with the keyboard case, maybe you want to put it on the refrigerator while you following instructions or something, it actually comes with another magnetic ring with very strong two-sided tape on one side, magnet on the other side, so you could kind of apply this anywhere and use this to actually mount your iPad as a second screen and things of that nature. Now as we go around the edges, as you can see, cutouts for the speakers, cutouts for the power button. You actually got some little rubber buttons for the volume rocker, magnetic clasp, and just a lot of grip. This is a very nice bolstered up and protective case for your iPad, guys. But like I said, guys, as you can see, you have a nice mouse now, especially with iPad0S 26. If you open the app now, guys, you can see you could go to the top. You could actually downsize the app. You could actually move the apps around, guys. Or if I want to, I could just go ahead and exit out. Just like I got YouTube open right now, guys, I could actually go over to YouTube. I could make it large, full screen. I could actually go back up here to the menu. As you can see, we got different actual menus now for stuff. And at the same time, I can just go back and actually minimize it. And look how compact this is, guys. For the price of around 70 bucks, you get an actual protective case with a whole Bluetooth keyboard for your iPad. But with something like this, you can have a whole laptop going on. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Link will be in the bio. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.